Welcome to Redji. In this session, we are going to learn the Ecolian form and solution of a homogeneous linear equation. What is mean by Ecolian form here? Ecolian form. Ecolian form is nothing but the number of zeros in a preceded row is less than to that of number of zeros in a successive row is nothing but. For example, I am taking a matrix here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, 5, 6, 7 and 0, 0, 8, 9 and 0, 0, 0, 2. This is the matrix here I am taking. Here how many rows are there? R1, R2, R3 and R4. If we compare R1 with R2, here number of zeros are 0 and here number of zeros are 1. Here number of zeros are 2 and here number of zeros are 3. If we compare the previous row with the successive row, the number of zeros is less than to that of successive row. Here the number of zeros less than to that of successive row. Here no zeros are there, here 1 zero is there, here 2 zeros are there, here 3 zeros are there. Here this is called Ecolian form. Ecolian form of a matrix, and this is an example of Ecolian form of order 3 by 4. Next, and the next concept is this is the important one, solution of homogeneous linear equation Let us take the general form of solution of homogeneous linear equation. I am taking an examples of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is 0 here, we don't have any constants here, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1 and 2 and finally 3. These are the three linear equations having a constant with 0 here. From these three matrices, from these three equations, we should frame a quotient matrix here. Quotient matrix is nothing but a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. This is the coefficient matrix, and constant matrix x, capital X is equal to x, y, z. Variable matrix, this is called variable matrix, and here we don't have any constants here, that is O. This is O and this is called a null matrix. Here the matrix equation is Ax is equal to O. Ax is equal to O. If you frame an augmented matrix like this, the quotients of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, A3, B3, C3, 0, 0, 0. If you convert this lower triangular element 0, then two cases are there here. If lower triangular elements are 0, like A1, B1, C1, 0, A2, B2, here this number is 0, A2, C2 is equal to 0 and 0, 0, C3 is equal to 0. This is the solution of this quotient augmented matrix. Two cases are there here. The case 1 here. The case 1, if rank of AD AO, rank of AO is equal 3, then it is a trivial solution. And the second case, the rank, if rank of AO is less than 3, then it is a non-trivial solution. Where x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. This is a condition here, and here we have three linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z here c1z is equal to 0. Here z is a variable, and a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 is a quotient matrix, xyz is a variable matrix and is a null matrix. Here null matrix, it is null matrix. From this null matrix we need to frame an augmented matrix equation. Ax is equal to O is a null matrix here, and a1 b1 c1 is 0, a2 b2 c2 0, a3 b3 c3 is 0. Here we need to frame these three numbers are 0 according to elementary operations on matrix. Then after it will convert to like this. From this we have two cases. If rank of this matrix is 3, then it is a trivial solution. If the rank of matrix is less than 3, then it is a non-trivial solution. So here the number of non-zero rows is called rank of matrix. Here number of non-zero rows are counts rank of a matrix here, and this is all about general form. And let us see one example question here. I am taking one example, linear equations. The first one, 2x plus 3y minus z. 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And the second equation, x minus y minus of 2z is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. And the third equation, 3x plus y plus 3z. 3x plus y plus 3z, that is equal to 0. This is equation number 3 here. From this 3 equation we need to frame a coefficient matrix A is equal 2 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 2 3 minus 1 3 1 3 3 1 3. This is 3 1 3. This is coefficient matrix, and x y z is a variable matrix, and O is nothing but null matrix. This is a null matrix. From this we need to frame an augmented matrix AO. Directly you can take A also here. I am taking A here. Why? Because here 2 3 here these are null matrix here. 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 and 3 1 3. Here our assumption is to convert these two numbers as 0. So I am interchanging R2 and R1 here. So that will become 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 3 1 3. This is a interchanging of rows here. Next, and here we need to convert this number 0. So R2 is changed to R2 minus R1. Here 2 minus 1, that is 1. Here we need to multiply this total row with 2, then it will become 0. So R2 2 3 minus 1, 2 into 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 2 ja minus 4. Now subtract here 0, this is plus, 3 plus 2 5, minus 1 plus 4, minus 1 plus 4, that is plus 3, 5 3. Next, this is 0 here. Let's substitute the value 1 minus 1 minus 2 0 5 3 and 3 1 3. And next step is to convert this number, and this number is 0 here. So R3 is changed to R3 minus R2, R3 minus R1, sorry, R3 minus R1 with the base of R1. 3 minus 1 2. Here we need to multiply R1 with 3, 3 R1. So 3 R3 is nothing but 3 1 3. Next, if you multiply with R1 with 3, 3 into minus 3 minus 6, minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. So let's subtract here. 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 6 9. Write 0 4 9, 0 4 9 right here, and write the matrix here. 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 0 5 3 here, 0 4 9 here. And the next here, this term should become 0 with the base of R2. R3 is changed to R3 minus R2. So here 5 is there, here 4 is there. So here we need to multiply 5 with R2, 5 with R3, 4 with R2. 5 4 is 20, 5 4 is 20, 20 minus 20, that will become 0. Here 5 into R3, 0 into 5, 24, 9 4 ja, 9 5 ja, 4 5 ja, 20. Next 5 9 ja, 45. Here I am multiplying R3 with 3. Next R2, 0, 4 5 ja, 20. Next 4 3 ja, 12. 0 0, this is cancelled, 0 0 here. 45 minus 12, 3, 33. 4 1 minus 33. This is a 0 0 33. 0 0 33. 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0 5 3 0 0 33. And this is a solution here. If we compare x, now this is a rank here. Here number of non-zero rows, the number of non-zero rows here, or number of non-zero row is 1, number of non-zero row is 2, number of non-zero row is 3. Here no number is having all zeros, no row is having all zeros here. That's why number of non-zero rows are 3 here. Rows are 3. That's why rank of this matrix, rank of A is equal to 3 here. If rank of A is equal to 3, then it is a trivial solution. Trivial solution. It has trivial solution. Now we need to find the values here. Let's substitute x into 1 minus 1 into plus minus 1 into y plus minus 2 into z is equal to 0. I am multiplying x, y, z with the quotient. Next, 5y plus 3z is equal to, next, finally 33z is equal to 0. 33 z is equal to 0. Next, here z is equal to 0. Let's substitute z value here. Y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. All values become 0. X is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. This is the solution of homogeneous linear equation of a linear equation. Here these are the three linear equations. From this we need to frame a coefficient matrix. From this coefficient matrix we need to convert the lower triangular elements are 0. Then the number of non-zero rows counts the rank here. If rank is equal to 3, then it is a trivial solution. If rank is equal to less than 3, then it is a non-trivial solution. This is all about the solution of homogeneous linear equation. Let us see an example of non-trivial solution. The previous one is a trivial solution. Let us see one more example for non-trivial solution problem here. I am taking three equations. Linear equations are I am taking three linear equations. First one, x plus y minus 2z. X plus y minus 2z is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0 is second equation. And the third equation is 5x plus 4y minus 9z. 5x plus 4y minus 9z is equal to 0. This is an equation number 3 here. These are the three equations. From these three equations I am framing a coefficient matrix here, and 1 1 minus 2 and 2 1 minus 3, 2 1 minus 3, 1 1 minus 2, 2 1 minus 3, and 5 4 minus 9, 5 4 minus 9. This is coefficient matrix and constant variable matrix x y z, and O is nothing but null matrix 0 0 0. And the next step is to convert our matrix equation Ax is equal to O. This is a null matrix equation here. From this matrix equation I am writing A is equal to 1 1 minus 2 and 2 1 minus 3 and 5 4 minus 9. This is the equation, this is a matrix here. From this matrix here our assumption is to convert this number 0 and this number 0 first of all. So I am changing R2 is changed to R2 minus R1. 2 minus 1, it is not possible to get 0. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is become 0. 2 minus 2 is nothing but 2 is multiplied, 2 is already there in R2, and 2 is, if you multiplied with 2 with R1 will get 0 here. Next 2 1 minus 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 to the minus 4. Let us subtract here. 1 minus 2 minus 1, this is plus here, and minus 3 plus 4, that is 1. 0 minus 1, 1 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1 1. This is all about. Next 5 4 minus 9. And here next assumption is to convert this number is 0 with a base of R1. R3 is changed to R3 minus R1. Here 5 minus 1 4. 5 minus 5 will become 0 here. Now multiply 5 4 minus 9. Now multiply the R1 with 5. 5 minus 10. Let's subtract here. 5 get cancelled. 5 minus 5, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 9 minus 9 plus 10, that will give plus 1. So 0 0 minus 1. So let's substitute the values here. 1 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1 1, 0 minus 1 1. This is the solution. And here our next assumption is to convert this number is 0 here. So R3 is changed to R3 minus R1, then it will become 0. R3 minus R2. So 1, 1 minus 2 is R1 is common. Next R2 is also common. That's why I am writing R2 as it is, and R3 is changed. 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 0 0. All terms here becomes 0. Here if you observe this matrix, here R1 is the number of non-zero row and R2 is number of non-zero row. Here this is complete. R3 is total 0 hits here. That's why the number of non-zero rows are 2. Then the rank of A is 2. So if rank of A less than 3, then it is a non-trivial solution. It is a non-trivial solution. So non-trivial solution. So for that non-trivial solution, I am finding the values here. 1 into x plus 1 into y plus minus 2 into z. From this matrix, I am writing an equation is equal to 0, and minus x into 0 becomes 0, minus 1 into y plus 1 into z equal to 0, and this is equation number 4 and this is equation number 5, and 0 equal to 0. This is the equation number 6 here, and from equation number 5 implies minus y plus z is equal to 0. That's why minus y is equal to minus z. If you send right hand side, minus minus get cancelled, that will give y is equal to z. Y is equal to z here, and if you substitute y is equal to z here, x plus z minus 2z is equal to 0. That implies x minus z is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to z. Here finally x is equal to y is equal to z. Here we don't know. I am taking z is equal to k. Z is equal to k. So that implies x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to k. Here many solutions are appeared. Many solutions are there. So if a matrix is a non-trivial solution, many solutions are appeared here. X is equal to y is equal to z is equal to k. Then many solutions are appeared. First of all, here is given 3 linear equations. From these 3 linear equations, we have written quotient matrix and variable matrix here. This is a null matrix. Here matrix equation Ax is equal to O. O is nothing but null matrix here. From this matrix, we need to convert lower triangular elements are 0. In that process, we are finding the lower triangular elements are 0. Here finally the output is getting the number of non-zero rows are 2. That's why the rank of matrix is 2 here, and less than rank of matrix is 3 here. That's why it is a non-trivial solution. Here from this final matrix, we are framing 3 equations here. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. From this 3 equation, x is equal to y is equal to z. Here we got x is equal to y is equal to z. X is equal to y is equal to z. We don't know any values, any variable value here. I am taking k, z equal to k. That's why x is equal to y is equal to z equal to k. Here many solutions appeared for k value here. That this is all about solution of a homogeneous linear equation in 2 ways, trivial solution and non-trivial solution. Thank you, one and all.